Hello students, welcome to English Literature class. Today we are going to study alienation effect by Beckett. Before I start the topic, let's know about Frederick Beckett. He was born in 1898, Germany. He was a German playwright and theatrical reformer. Due to the course of action, he developed a violently anti-bourgeois attitude that reflected his generation's deep disappointment in the civilization that had come in the end of World War I. In late 1920s, Brecht came in touch of Karl Karsch and developed an interest in Marxism. His didactic Lehrject could be understood as a reflection of his Marxist approach. Brecht, with the help of Erwin Piscator and Meyerhold, explored the theatre as a forum for political ideas and the creation of a critical aesthetics of dialectical materialism. Students, you should know what is dialectical materialism. Dialectical materialism is a method by which the mutual opposition inherent in two opinions is systematically used to arrive at some consensual conclusion. What is epic theatre? As I told you that Frederick Beckett started epic theatre. Let's know about epic theatre. Epic theatre was the offshoot of theatrical movement of 20th century. Many theatre practitioners in this period responded to the political occurrences of that time. Epic theatre was not created to know the artistic values or scope of a play, but they were created to see the realities of world with bare eyes. Epic theatre comprises a series of events which were not well connected. There was no ambiguity. The plays were accompanied by relevant narrations addressing to the audiences, analysis and documentation. Epic theatre suggested that the audience should not identify himself with the characters or action on the stage. Brecht coined the term non-Aristotelian drama, which means a kind of drama whose dramatical structure departs from the features of classical tragedy. Epic theatre produced the plays which were not written art for art's sake, but to let audience think critically about the issues raised in it and to find out appropriate solutions to the issues in the outer world. Let's talk about alienation effect now. Alienation effect, which was popularized by Bertolt Brecht, also known as V effect, estrangement effect, D effect. Though Brecht was not the father of this idea, but this idea got flourished considerably through his plays. Brecht writes about alienation effect that such plays are created to see the events with naked eyes, where incidents are from among the audience, a well-known facts. This well-known day-to-day incidences are served to audiences in a complete unknown manner. It creates a sense of astonishment and audiences can critically reflect about the issues raised in it. Now the question is, how can someone stop audiences to identify themselves with the characters on the stage? Is it really possible? Yes, Beckett suggests the solution through alienation effect. He says that such plays will have direct conversation with the audiences. The fixation of bright artificial lights will create an unrealistic atmosphere. Uses of songs, captions, explanatory notes, speaking the text in third person can also hamper the audience to drown deep into the action. Various other complementary objects like rope, lights, ladder, etc., along with people who are not the characters in the play, can hamper the impact of continuity. Now the question comes, what is the purpose of alienation effect? All this disturbance on the stage, which Beckett suggests deliberately to create on the stage, are to stop audiences to completely engrossed or attached with the play. Spectators should know that the action on the stage is temporary and not real, though it has an issue of our real world. They should know what are the pros and cons of these actions. They should know what can they do to get out of such situation. What are their duties and how to work on the message that they got from the theatre. So instead of putting the message of the play deep down in the unconscious, it generates reflective thinking and action. For the better understanding of the concept, please watch the picture very carefully. Thank you.